Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel. So if you're coming across an issue where you have to manually type in information over and over again from a set pattern, this tutorial will be for you. So let's say we're trying to put the name field in here. We're going to have to do first and then last. So Ted Evans, let's say we have his name in here, and we'd have to do that for a whole list of people. So in order to speed that process up a little bit, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully do that. So we're going to start by first making sure we have Flash Fill enabled. So you want to go ahead and left click on the File tab at the top left and left click on Options. You want to go down and left click on the area underneath Advanced, and you want to make sure automatically Flash Fill is checkmarked. Once you've done that, now you also want to go ahead and left click on the Data tab. You see Flash Fills up here. Just currently stay on the Data tab. And now that we're on the Data tab, you want to highlight over the selection here. And you want to go ahead and now left click on Flash Fill once you've typed in the first one. You have to give Excel something to go off of, and it's preferable if it's right next to the text. It might be a little harder to find the pattern if it's not immediately next to the next column. So I'm going to left click on Flash Fill here. It should populate all of the names based upon the same nomenclature we were following before. And just wanted to give you guys a brief update on how that would work. And I hope this was a good tutorial for you. I hope it was able to help resolve what you were looking for. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.